Long before modern medicine, there lived a healer who would change the human face forever.
He is marked forever.
I am no longer whole.
In ancient India, the loss of a nose was the loss of honor.
A wound to the body should not destroy the soul.
What is taken, can it be returned? Nature heals if guided with wisdom.
Living skin must remain alive. Practice before you touch a human life.
Over 100 instruments crafted for healing.
Can I be whole again? We shall try, with care. Remain still. Life flows through this skin.
This was surgery centuries before science named it.
Do not sever its breath. Keep it alive.
He is reshaping destiny.
Healing is patience, guided by skill.
I can face the world again. He is healed. Hurry.
Knowledge preserved for generations. The Indian flap still lives. Sushruta, the father of plastic surgery.
Long before modern hospitals, microscopes, or surgical textbooks, in the sacred city of Kashi, there lived a physician named Sushruta, a man who believed healing was both science and compassion. In ancient India, the loss of a nose was more than an injury. It was a punishment that carried lifelong shame. Those who suffered it were cast aside, their faces marking them as dishonored. Sushruta witnessed this silent suffering and asked a radical question for his time. Could dignity be restored along with the body? By observing nature, how living tissue healed, how skin survived when nourished, Sushruta found inspiration. He realized that if skin remained connected to its blood supply, it could live, heal, and reshape itself. From this insight, he created a revolutionary procedure, Rhinoplasty, using a living skin flap taken from the cheek or forehead. With steady hands and deep wisdom, Sushruta reconstructed what had been taken away, carefully shaping a new nose and securing it with precise sutures. This technique, later known as the Indian flap, became the world's earliest documented plastic surgery. But Sushruta's legacy went further. He designed over 100 surgical instruments, described 60 methods of wound care, and insisted that students practice on fruits, leather, and animals before touching human life. His knowledge was preserved in the Sushruta Samhita, a medical text that would influence surgeons thousands of years later. Through his work, broken faces regained form, and broken lives regained honor. Sushruta did more than heal wounds. He restored humanity. Thus began the art of plastic surgery, not from vanity, but from compassion. If you enjoyed this story, tap the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.